Big B, big B.
Andy, what goes here?
Big B, little B.
Gavin, or did I miss Gavin? I think I missed Gavin. Didn't I, Gavin? Sorry, what goes here, Gavin?
Little B, little B.
Nope.
Big B, little B.
Big B, little b, because it's this one and this one. And then, Ava, what goes here?
Little B, little B.
Little b, little b. Now let's look at this one. Now, Nevaeh, what is the percentage chance that these offspring will be brown hair? 75. Capital letter, capital letter, capital letter. 75%. What is the percentage chance then, Nevaeh, that it'll be blue eyes?
75. 25.
25. 25% blue, 75% brown. Okay? Let's see if was there an example here in the book?
There's one on the paper.
Yeah, I know, we're going to do that one.
Both my parents are blue-eyed, and everyone in my family, my brother and sister and me, all have blue eyes.
Say it again?
So my mom and my dad both have blue eyes, and all my siblings have blue eyes.
Then your mom and dad are both this, without a doubt.
Yeah.
But don't you
Okay.
have brown eyes, Noah?
No, I have blue eyes.
Yes, Jalen,
I
yes.
thought you had brown eyes.
My mom and dad both have brown hair,
Mm-hmm.
and I have blue eyes, and my sister has blue eyes.
Okay, but now, so, yeah, so you mean brown eyes? Is that what you mean?
No, I'm just saying my parents have brown hair, but I have blue eyes.
Okay, it doesn't work that way. It's the hair trait, the eye trait, the tall trait, the short trait. That's how it works, okay? So if you have blue eyes and both your parents have brown eyes, they have to be both big B, little b. Because if they were both capital B's, you couldn't have blue eyes. Okay? All right. Punnett squares. All right. This is where it gets a lot of technical terms that you've probably not heard before. Okay, phenotype and genotype. Okay, your phenotype are your physical traits. Blonde hair, blue eyes, tall, short, round, wrinkled, green, yellow, if we're talking about plants, okay? Genotype are the letters. Big B, little b, big T, little b, little b, big T, little t, big S, big S. Whatever the letters are, genotype. Genotype is the genetic makeup, and it is the letters. Phenotype is the physical description. That's how I remember. Phenotype, pH, is the same as physical, pH. Okay? So if I were to give you an example, oops, wrong page. All right, Bailey. Genotype or phenotype?
Wait, say that again?
Is this genotype or phenotype?
Gino?
Genotype is correct. How did you know?
It has the letters.
It has the letters. All right, Will. Genotype or phenotype?
Phenotype?
Phenotype, how did you know?
It spells out the word.
Yeah, because you can actually, that's a physical thing. Can I look at Andy and know what his phenotype is? Yes, I can. Brown hair. Can I look at Andy and know his genotype? No, I cannot. Okay? All right,
There's a good way to remember these.
let's hear it.
Genotype, it starts with a G, like genetics, and phenotype starts with a PH, like physical.
I just said pH physical, that's how I remember it.
I wasn't paying attention.
Clearly.
Clearly, I was not paying
Okay, so I'm going to throw some more words at you here.
No.
Homozygous and heterozygous. I know, Brooke's looking at me like those are some crazy words, and they are.
I never heard of it.
Wait, can you say it's on this worksheet?
Oh, here it comes.
Homozygous and heterozygous. Okay? Hold on just a second.
Turns off.